that up. Pretty cool.
Nice.
Here at the junkyard again. Let's go see if there's any hidden gems in the junkyard this time. There is nobody here because it is rainy. It is shitty. Puddles everywhere. I am out here in this shitty weather because I like to be consistent and give you guys a weekly upload. So every Sunday at 8, you are going to get an upload. So if you like consistency, please like and subscribe. And let's check out these cars. Firstly, we have this 1971 Mercedes-Benz 220. Let's check this thing out. Yeesh. Something was definitely living in that glove box. Not sponsored. These old Mercedes look so dang good. I just love the way they made cars back then. Not a big fan of the Benz now, but these old ones, gotta. In this video, I want you guys to see the cars and then go down in the comments and say which one you would prefer out of all the ones I show you. So, Mercedes-Benz, let's check out the next one. 1978 Ford Mustang. I wish it was more complete, but this is obviously a good candidate for parts. Those are pretty cool wheels. Got a Plymouth 67 Plymouth Valiant. Let's see if we can open this. Really cool. Love the metal dash. Ragtop. Oh God, what is this? Triumph Spitfire. You know, I used to have 2 Spitfires. I guess I didn't really have them. My grandma had 2 of them, and I was supposed to inherit them, but she moved and sold them when I was like 10. So, I get it. It's fine. Ooh, I saw turbo out of the corner of my eye. Chrysler something. What is this? Chrysler TC something. Oh shit. Maserati? What the hell, man? Should I make this the thumbnail? I mean, it says Maserati, but is it really that cool? Let me know in the comments. Porsche. $944. Got another one over there. I think I've recorded that red one before. This black one's new though. If you take two of them, you got yourself almost a complete car. This is a Dodge Dart. These are really cool. It's got a straight 65 Dodge Dart. If I was gonna get a muscle car, I really want a Plymouth Duster. I think those are really cool. But this would be really cool too. This thing's got a big old motor in it. God damn. Let's see what this is. Mercedes-Benz 450. Sheesh. Oldsmobile? Huh? Maybe? Oldsmobile 88, 1949. Is this another one of them Maseratis? 90 Maserati. Look at that. Another Chrysler car. A giant boat. Another boat, but might be something special. A Buick Skylark. That's pretty cool. That was intentional. You guys liking what you see so far? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Trying to get to 4,000 subscribers by next year. 70 Impala. Another Mercedes. 240 Mercedes. A 76 Cutlass. This thing's missing everything. God damn. Look at that little cute motor. It's a little Fiat Spider. And we got this giant thing they had to put in here sideways. 67 Eldorado. This thing's ginormous. God damn, how many bodies could you fit in there? Check this thing out. '52 Cadillac sedan. Very nice.
It's nice.
A '69 Fiat Spider. Vintage. Look at them wheels, though. If I can find out the lug pattern for these, and if these will fit one of my rabbit truck, or my rabbit truck, I don't have multiples, but I might take these. The tires are trash, but I mean, those are cool. Look at that steering wheel. Got the little motor in the back. Look at how cute that is. It's just a tiny little guy. Out of all these cars I show you in this video right here, which one would you drive? Comment below. Also, like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 4,000 subscribers by 2025. We're so close. Got a 79 Honda Civic right here. This thing is mint. It's a nice little wagon right there. And his Instagram's right here. I don't know who he is, but go follow him. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't. 77 Ford Maverick. Come on, who's hopping in this boat and driving it around? Ugh. It's not opening. The interior looks pretty mint though. By the way, if you follow this guy, message on there and say, Euro Mike sent me your way. He found your car in the junkyard. Buick. Buick Apollo, 1974. This big old boat right here, 77 LTD. This was a pimp's car right here, because this be pimping. Looks like we found the row of pimp cars. What is this? 78 Maverick? Let's see. Yeah, Lincoln Maverick. Pimp Mobile. God, these things are huge. And look at the carpet. That's like some thick stuff. Very, very interesting. I like how they have to put the boats in here sideways like that. And then these ones are all nice and neat, packed in here. Got a little Corvette. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this car. It's a Civel? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Another giant boat. We've seen this Beetle before in a previous video. 73 Bug. Pretty cool. I have not seen this. I don't know what this is, but this thing's ancient. 1960 something. Buick Century. Wow. That is cool. If I can get this in full frame, because it's so giant, I would take a picture. But I can't, because this Beetle's door won't shut, and this thing is ginormous. About just like that. Okay. Got a good picture. Let's see. Fuck yeah. Metal dash. That is awesome. This is when cars were made good. This thing is solid. Look at how thick this hood is. Oh. Can barely hold it up. a 52 Packard sedan. A straight 8. This car is pretty cool too. I love these body lines. This might be another Buick. Buick Skylark. Man, this thing's sick. Buick was doing really good with the way their cars looked. Now the Buick is not very appealing, in my opinion. Well, most cars aren't appealing anymore. But let's say, I don't know, anything past the 70s was ugly. This is very cool. Let me know if you would drive this. Couple of little teeny cars right here. Let's check this out though. This thing is a freaking shaggin' wagon. A Datsun 510 75. Why? Why would you do this? If it's in the junkyard, it's inevitably going to be crushed. You guys keep telling me to buy these cars in the junkyard. Well, these cars in the junkyard aren't for sale, for the most part. And the only way you can get them to sell you a car is if you're willing to pay an absurd amount of money for them. Which I'm not entirely sure that that's something that people are willing to do. Like, there's nothing to any of these cars, but they're gonna ask like something outrageous, like $5,000, and that's a lot of money for something that could wind up on Facebook Marketplace for $2,000 with a motor, you know? We're down to the very end right here. I hope you guys are filling up those comments right now with what you would be driving, what you would be restoring or something. Got another Benz right here. A 79 240. Here at the junkyard again, walking through the domestic section. But we're gonna walk right past this. If you guys want to see a lineup of domestic vehicles, let me know in the comments right now. We'll go to the junkyard again and check out domestics. Like this 03 Cadillac CTS. Those are pretty cool. Okay, before I get carried away, let's jump over to the JDM and foreign section. Okay, C-Class Mercedes, Mercedes-Benz wagon, another Benz. There's gonna be Benz everywhere. What is this? A Mercedes-Benz? Oh, look at that. This one's pretty cool though. Look at these door handles. Very nice. Cool little Audi 5000. Diesel Mark IV Jetta. You already know. Timing belt. Badass Jaguar. MK3 Jetta. coming up on something very cool right now. Ready, 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 ready. Freaking Volkswagen Fox. 89. Hell yeah. These things are so cool. Love them. Luckily, I already got door handles for my rabbit truck. Otherwise, I'd be tearing this one apart. Get me a picture of these. Okay, let's check it out here. I think this would be a good candidate for a rear-wheel drive conversion vehicle. Although there's not a lot of space, I think that would be a cool project. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe. Let me know, would you resurrect this gem? Comments below. Let me know in the comments, is Saab the Subaru of the German world? Because Subaru, we all know. I mean, that's why they're all here, aren't they? Head gaskets? You guys remember the first gen Eclipse, the second gen, this is the third gen, and then there was a fourth gen. I think that was it. But which one was the ugliest body style in your opinion? This one is alright. The fourth one, I'm not too fond of. I wish they would have done something cool with this third gen though. Like, put another 4G63 in it, why not? Make it cool. Now Mitsubishi isn't cool at all. Like, they don't make cool cars anymore, which is unfortunate. I think I'm about to see my first Mini Cooper supercharger. Never mind. No, it's not there. Where is it? Nope. Damn it. Is this the coolest Saab ever? I can almost guarantee this had a VR6 in it. That's why it's gone. Yeah, it did. Coilovers? Not sure the brand. Let's look at this Saab again. What the hell? That's the clutch. Hooked up to a transfer case. And then it's front wheel drive? That is very interesting. I had no idea they were like that, but I mean, it's gotta be easier to change a clutch if it's right there in the front of the motor. Huh. I'm a little mind blown. had no idea they were like that. Yeah, there's no rear pumpkin, so... Front-wheel drive car with the clutch in the front of the engine. There's the throwout bearing. It's hydraulic. Did you guys know about that? Let me know in the comments below. And is this the coolest Saab they ever made? Found a bracelet. Paracord. I think that's going to be it for this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this Saab 900. And I will catch you guys at the next Junkyard. Please like and subscribe